Good morning everybody, this is the job today, some decking cleaning. I'd done a driveway for this fella last week and he said, Ricky, come and do me decking. So today, here I am. This is very slippy, have to be very careful you don't go arse over red. Okay, here's some of the tools we shall be using today. We've got a surface cleaner, we've got the red lance with a 25-degree tip in, we've got the gun with various tips in which will be used for the balustrades, and we've got the rinse down lance, and that's got a 60-degree nozzle in which is variable. First things first, a cup of tea. Videos, please subscribe and click on the bell and give us a thumbs up. Cheers. Okay. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next job.